Hello guys, this is Steve and welcome to our factory where our LED strip light are being produced. Like this is the starting point. We start from the FPCB. It moves into this machine. A solder paste is placed on this platform where it is printed on the FPCB. Now the FPCB is moved to the next stage where the LED chips are being placed on after the paste have been put on the FPCB. It moves from here, from the outside. This is where now the LED chips are being placed on. Let's go and show them how it works like. Yeah, it comes out here. Once the FPCB is mounted with components, it goes through a reflow oven to permanently solder them in place. On this stage, this is where the workers put the double side adhesive. Come, let's see how it's working. After the double adhesive have been placed on, you can see now he's placing the FPCB on the double adhesive. Drip cutting section, right? Come, let me show you how it works. The machine will move from this end to that end. In the cutting section, the LD strip is placed here now, where it will move to the drying room. Come, let me show you the drying room. This is the drying room, where the LD strip now is being placed on to allow to rest for around 40 minutes, then it will become solid. Remove it here, then we'll take it to the workshop. Moving into the assembly workshop, where you will see how the LED strip have been assembled and testing. So I will show you every different parts, every details, how we assemble, how we test our product. Then after this, we ship to Africa, America, all over the world. This stage, the worker here is cutting the strip. This is how he's cutting the strip. Here is connecting the wire to the strip. You can see how the wire is being connected to the strip. This is the quality control area where the workers here will test the lighting, where every light is being tested, the color is being tested. They are checking if any chips have a problem, they will remove it. It's our packaging area where every worker has his own task here. Here, everything is controlled and every worker has only one particular thing to do to avoid some mistake during the packaging area. Now we are in our warehouse where we stock our product. So come, let me show you. Here is our warehouse. Our daily production capacity is 150,000 sets per day. So this is where our finished products have been packaged and placed ready for shipment. If you are into lighting business and you need anything about lighting, any product customization, every details, we are here. Guys, we are open for cooperation. We are open to work with anyone. Now this is our sample room where I'm going to show you some different samples we have. Different styles, this part of it. Like for example, you have the different sizes, you have the different voltages and the low voltage. And you can see these are the solar ones. These are the solar strip, which is becoming very popular right now. People have been selling it a lot. So we just integrated this into our program too. And we have been selling it also in mass quantity. So you can produce everything you want, you know, the RGB, the AGBC, CCT. You can control also, how would I say it? Smart ones, where you can control the lights on your phone, the remote control, everything. So, and also we have the different sizes, the different lighting options here. So if you need anything and you want to customize your own product, you can just contact us so that we can try to see how we can manage everything for you. Thank you.